Hello friends, today we are going to talk about why people keep Ganpati Bappa's photo on the entrance of the door. Even some people keep a murti on the entrance, some keep a photo of Lord Ganesha in their bedroom, hall, even in their kitchens. So let's talk about this in our today's video so that we can understand the importance of keeping Lord Ganesha's idol or photo at our homes. The truth of this pratha is in the story of Lord Ganesha that we might have heard in our childhood. This story is also been described in Shiv Puran that says Mata Parvati created a small boy and asked him to look after the entrance while she goes for a bath and don't allow anyone to come in. She goes for bathing and then Lord Shiva comes in and Balak Ganesh stops him from entering in. Lord Shiva tries to explain him that he is her husband, but he didn't listen a word and was very strict to the order given to him. But even after arguing for too long, Balak Ganesh didn't let him in. Then Lord Shiva gets very much angry on him and in anger throws his Trishul at Balak Ganesh and the Trishul hits his neck and Balak Ganesh's head cuts off from his body and he was dead. And when Mata Parvati returns and finds her child dead, then she gets very angry on Lord Shiva and the whole earth shivers out of her anger. The other gods and the goddess come in order to stop her anger. Then they come to a decision of bringing back Balak Ganesh to life and asked Lord Shiva to do it. Lord Shiva requested Vishnuji to help him bring back to him life and then puts an elephant's head on his body and then Balak Ganesh comes to life. But this isn't the only reason of keeping Lord Ganesha's idol at the entrance, but people also believe that Lord Ganesha keeps all the negative energy away from the house and brings positive vibes to home. When you keep a photo or an idol of Lord Ganesha at your home's entrance. Lord Ganesha is also called Vignaharta, which means problem solver or the one who keeps all the negativity away from one's life. It is said that Lord Ganesha's back is the door to the hell, Patal Lok, and that's where all the negativity goes back to the hell. And his front side gives positive energy and keeps the environment positive. So, if you keep Lord Ganesha's idol at home, you must keep it facing opposite to your house. Means the back must face the other side rather than facing towards your house. And when you keep the idol or the photo of Lord Ganesha in your room's kitchen or hall, then you must keep it in a way that the back wouldn't face any other rooms or towards yourself. The best direction to keep the idol of Lord Ganesha or the photo is the northeast direction, as this direction is a zone of wisdom and intelligence and also a Durdarshik zone. As Lord Ganesha symbolizes elephant, an elephant have the ability to smell around 20 kilometers by using their trunk, and therefore by keeping the idol or the photo of Lord Ganesha at this direction increases the person's thinking ability and gives more ideas to him and helps him to make the right decision. We all know that whenever we start any new work or journey, we always take the name of Lord Ganesha and start our work. This is because he is the Vignaharta, and to avoid any negativity or interference while doing the work, we take the name of Lord Ganesha. If we follow this guidance and keep the Lord Ganesha's idols and photos facing northeast direction, then it would help you in making quick and right decisions for your upcoming work, journey, projects and many more. So always take Lord Ganesha's name before you start your journey, puja or any work, and the process will be complete with whole positivity and success.